Okay. So in which question you have doubt?
Question 1B2. Yeah.
Okay.
I was a little bit confused by how this question was worded. It's pretty complicated what it's asking for exactly.
Okay. It is the question from ratios. Okay.
Yeah. I was able to get almost everything in question A correct except for the last one. 1B2.
Okay. So that means first is not the problem. You can solve it.
Yeah, 1A is not the problem at all, no.
Second one.
None of this is a problem. 1B2. Like the last one in question 1.
Okay.
B2, the next one. Yeah, this one.
Okay, now Paulo buys some pears from market. Pears cost $0.54 each or 0.51 euros. Okay, Paulo pays in dollars for 12 pears. Calculate the change in he receives from $10. So
Yeah, this one. I'm talking about the next one. The exchange rate is 1 equals blah, 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 blah. Calculate how much more Paolo pays for each pair when he pays in euros. Give your answer in dollars.
see
Correct to the cents.
he needs to pay for how much? For 12 pears, how much dollars he paid?
$6.48.
$6 and 48 cents.
48 cents.
Okay. So for $1, you need to pay 0.826 euros. Okay. So for $6.48, you need to pay that much of euros.
Yeah.
Okay. So how much it is?
For some reason, I didn't do it that way. Where did I put my calculator? Yeah. 6.48 times 0.826. 5.35248.
5.35248. So that much extra he has to pay. Okay.
That's how many euros he's paying in, right?
Yeah. But question is, for each pair, how much you are paying? So that is paid for 12 pairs. Okay. So
I get it now.
so now you need to find it in one pair how much you are paying extra. So that amount will be divided by 12. Okay. If you divide it by 12, because this thing is paid for 12 pairs, so for one pair you calculate how much more Paulo pays for each pair.
Okay, so in euros, the price for one pair is 6.12. This 5.35. This is the price.
Okay.
Wait,
And
this
and
is the price.
and see, this price is also to be added because in the cost of pairs. This is exchange rate. Okay. What is the price for 12 pairs in dollars?
The price for 12 pairs in dollars is 6.48, right?
Or you directly find it in euros?
The cost for 12 pairs in euros, that's 6.12 euros.
No. Just find it in dollars only, because
The cost of 12 pairs.
yeah. So find in dollars. So dollars will be 12 into 0.54.
That's $6.48.
Yeah, 6.48. Yeah. So that amount should be added with 6.48 because these, sorry, but that must be in euros. Okay, so
Yeah, I'm still confused. I'm still confused. I'm not sure what's happening.
see, Paolo pays in dollars for 12 years. Okay,
Yeah.
so that much dollar you have paid 6.48. Okay,
Mhm.
now the question is the exchange rate of $1 is 0.826 euros. Means
Yeah.
if you want to exchange $1, so that means you have to give 0.826 euros, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that means how much dollar you're paying? You're paying $6.48.
Yeah.
So for $6.48, that will be the exchange in euros. That is
Mhm.
5.35248. And
Mhm.
how much euros for 12 years?
0.51 multiplied by 12. 6.12.
How much?
6.12 for 12.
6.12. So this is for exchange and this is for price. So totally you are paying this one in euros, isn't it? This 5.35248 is for exchange and this
The
is
5.35248 is how much you are is the price for 12 pairs if you buy them in dollars and then convert that money into euros.
yes. That is the conversion fee.
That's not the conversion fee. What? No.
The exchange rate is this one. Okay, sorry.
There's no conversion fee.
Sorry,
What?
sorry, 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 sorry. Sorry. That is not a conversion fee. $6.48 is the amount you have to pay. Okay. So in euros, how much it should be? In euros, it should be 6.48 because $1 is equal to 0.826.
Yeah.
So that is how much?
5.35248.
5.35248. So that is the price for 12 pairs.
12 pairs. Yes.
Okay.
But we need the price for one pair, right?
Yeah. So if you divide
So
it by
divide that
divided by 12, so you will get the price.
0.44604. But that doesn't answer our question. We need to find how much more money Paolo is spending. If he were to do this if he were to buy it directly in euros instead of buying in dollars.
Calculate how much more Paolo pays for each pair when he pays in euros. So if he is paying in euros, then how much money he should pay? 12 into 0.51? This
6.12.
6.12. Okay. So
Wait, but we don't need to do that. We need the price of one pair only, right? Since we found the price for one pair in dollars when converted to euros, which is 0.44. So it's just 0.51 minus 0.44, right?
okay.
Which is just
Okay.
0.07.
Okay, so yes. If you convert this $0.54 into euros, so how much it is coming? How much it is? If you convert 0.54 into dollars, sorry,
That is
in
already dollars.
in
0.54 is dollars.
in euros, how much it is?
0.44604.
44604. And price for one pair in euros is this one. So how much is the difference? Actually, he is asking about this.
It's like 0.07.
Yeah. So 0.07 euros he need to pay extra if he is paying in euros. Okay.
Okay.
If he is paying in dollar, he has to pay this much of euros. If he directly paying into euros, so that 0.51 he has to pay for each pair. Okay. So
Okay.
how much is the difference? That means if you are paying in euros, you are paying more. So that is the question. Okay. So calculate how much more Paolo pays for each pair when he pays in euros. So in euros, he is paying 0.07 euros extra. And the next one is give your answer in dollars. So this answer to be given in dollars, 0.07. Okay. Correct to the,
Just divide that by 0.826, right?
yes,
So it's 0.085 approximately.
0.085. So how much cent it is?
85, no, 8.5 cents.
Yeah, 8.5 cents it is. Okay.
But it says correct the nearest cent, right? So it's 9 cents. So it's $0.09.
Yeah. So it is
Okay.
9 cents. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Next question.
Question two was very difficult. Everything about this question was extremely difficult.
Okay. What is difficult?
Question 2B specifically, I got that one wrong. Actually, no, the only one I got correct was question 2A. And all of the question 2A and question 2E, those were the only ones I got correct. The rest of them were wrong.
The diagram shows a solid triangular prism ABCDEF of length length 15 centimeter. Okay. AB is 6.4, EB is 5.7, and the volume of the prism is 145 centimeter cube. What is the volume of prism? The formula.
Volume of prism. For all of our exams, we are actually going to get a formula sheet. So I used that. I used the formula sheet from a different paper to help me with this paper. I'm not sure how good that is, but still. So the formula for the volume of a prism is the cross section multiplied by the length.
So what is its cross section area?
The cross section area is
its height is,
it was 145 divided by 15.
yeah, that will be divided by 15 because its height is given. Okay.
Yeah.
So how much it is?
9.6 repeating.
9.6. So that is the area of this triangle. Okay. Now show that angle EBA is 32 degree correct to nearest degrees. How you going to find its area? Sorry,
To find the angle.
angle.
So basically what it did was I took the area of the triangle, which is 9.6. But to calculate the formula, since we were already given the length of two sides, I decided to use the formula half AB sine C for the area.
Yes.
Sine C being the angle EBA, which is 32 degrees. So I calculated whether half of 6.4 times 5.7 times sine 32 is equal to 9.6 repeating, which it is approximately with a good enough degree of accuracy, since it says correct to the nearest degree and not exactly 32 degrees. So yeah, 18.24 times sine 32 is equal to 9.665 blah blah blah. 9.665 is roughly equal to 9.6 repeating.
Okay. So are you getting that angle B as 32?
Yeah.
Okay. So now find the length of EA. You need to find
This one I
EA.
got wrong. I didn't even know how to do it.
EA.
Wait, no, actually, no. I think I got this. I think
You can.
I did this correct. I did this correct, but I forgot one step.
You can use cosine rule.
Yeah, the cosine rule. I just forgot to do that one step. Otherwise, I would have gotten it correct.
So
I
your
forgot to take the square root of the last value.
so by cosine rule, that will be cos 32 will be equal to this angle we are considering. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So cos 32 will be AB square plus BE square minus AE square divided by 2 AB and BE. That is cosine rule.
The cosine rule given in our in our formula sheet is
Yeah,
different.
it may be
The
different.
a
It
square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc
see
cosine a.
see if this is ABC, it is A, it is B, it is C. So cosine rule can be defined like cos A. I think that is very simple. B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Okay, in your book it may be written as 2BC cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square. Okay,
No, it's written differently for us.
both things are same.
It's written a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. That's what's
Yeah,
given to us.
yeah, it may be written also like this. So it is just only a simplification. Okay.
Okay.
That is easy to remember because here we have written A angle, so side A will be negative and in denominator we'll have BC only, not A. Or it is also easy if you remember it, like A square will be B square plus C square minus twice of these two and angle in front of this side.
Yeah, that was given to us.
Yeah.
So I used that formula. I got all of it correct. The only thing I forgot to do was square root
Okay,
the last
okay.
the only thing I forgot was the last step.
Okay. So
5.7 EA square is equal to 5.7 square plus 6.4 square minus 2 times 6.4 times 5.7 times cosine 32.
yeah.
Just simplify that. 11.58. I was supposed to take the square root of that. I forgot to do that.
Okay. Now you're getting right answer.
Yeah, I know what the right answer is. It's supposed to be the square root of 11.58. Let me just 3.402939. Yeah, whatever. You get the idea.
Okay. Now what about C part? Calculate the sorted distance from E to AB.
I did not get this one correct. I didn't even. I'm looking at my answer now. I don't even know if it looked like I knew what I was doing.
See,
Honestly.
that will be the sorted distance. Sorted distance is always perpendicular.
Yeah, it's the height, right?
Yeah, it is the height of triangle. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So the area formula becomes now, area of triangle will become now half base. Base is considered as AB.
Yeah.
And this is the height of triangle. Area is already given to you 9 point something.
9.6 repeating.
Yeah. AB is given as 9.6.4, that is height. So height will be 9 point something divided by into 2 divided by 6.4. So that will give you the height
So
of.
my method was correct. I just don't know what numbers I was using. For some reason, I was using 145 and 15. I don't know where I got that from.
1.145 by 15. That is also, that will also give you 9 point something. That is the area.
Yeah, I was using the numbers for the prism instead of for the triangle. I don't know why.
Okay, no issues.
Yeah,
You just use 145 divided by 15. That will also give you the correct answer.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Okay. There may be some calculation error or.
Yeah, for question D, I don't even know what it was asking for us.
Let me
I
see it.
tried to visualize it. I made a
Okay.
drawing. I'm
Calculate
not
the
sure.
calculate the angle BF makes with the base. Okay. Yeah, this one. This angle we need to calculate.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if we join B and F,
Yeah, okay.
what is the question?
So can just calculate this angle.
Calculate the angle BF makes with the base ABCD. Yeah. So how much angle BF is making with the base? That means BC. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Again, you can use cosine rule.
I used the 3D Pythagoras theorem for some reason. I don't know how you're supposed to use the cosine rule for this.
Okay, by 3D Pythagoras theorem, what you got it?
21.9 degrees. That
Oh,
was not the right answer.
okay. Okay, that actually you need to calculate that. Okay, this EBA is 32 degree,
Yeah.
and if we join B and F, actually he is asking about with the base.
Isn't asking for the angle made with the base.
Yeah, ABCD. ABCD is a
Yeah.
base. Like in your room you just join one corner to other upper corner. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So how much angle it is making with the base? They're asking about the same thing. So base is like a flatter surface.
Yeah, I made a drawing of it. I think it. I don't. Yeah, I don't know how you're supposed to solve this question. All I did was 3D Pythagoras theorem, but I don't think that would work.
This is like the base.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that will become your base, and what angle it is making with F. That means the rightmost top corner. You need to use 3D figures. Okay, I'll check it and make you understand in the next session. Okay,
Okay.
just I'll note it down. We'll do it in
Fine.
next one. Okay, next question please.
Question 3A, it's asking for the estimate of the mean, but I don't think we've done this in school. I'm not sure if this is going to come in the mocks either. They said chapters 22, 23, and part of chapter 21 are not going to come in the exam. I believe the estimates of the mean, I'm not really sure. I tried Googling the method on YouTube. It gave me some sigma that I've never seen before. We have never had to use sigma in math.
Okay. So the table shows information about the mass of each of 1000 eggs. So for 120 eggs, mass is from 40 to 50 grams. Okay.
Yeah.
And for 520 eggs, 50 to 56. For 154 eggs, 56 to 64. 200 eggs, it is 64 to 70. Okay. So you just multiply these numbers. You will get the whole mass of 126 eggs. Isn't it? So if you multiply these numbers with 126, what you get?
But 40 is more than m is less than or equal to 50.
Yeah.
How do you multiply an inequality? What?
Just multiply 126 with 40. 4 6 is 24, 4 2 is 8, and 2 0. 4 1 is 4.
5040.
504. Okay.
126 by 40, right?
Yeah.
5004. That's what it says. That's what the calculator
Okay.
says.
Okay. 5004.
Wait, not 5004. Sorry, 5040. 5040. 5040.
Okay. 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 Sorry. 5040. So that
Yeah.
mass will be how much it should be?
Times 50.
Yeah.
6,300.
6,300. Okay.
Okay.
So that is the mass for 126 eggs. Similarly, you will multiply this mass 50 to 56. So if you multiply it by 520, how much it will give you?
12,800.
12,800 to
15,360.
15,360.
Wait, no, that's 56, not 60. Sorry. 14,336. My mistake.
14,000.
336.
336. Okay. So that may be the minimum mass and that is the maximum mass. Okay.
Yeah.
And for this one, similarly, you can calculate this one. Okay.
9,856.
Okay.
Okay.
So basically what you need to do, what is the mean? Mean means the total mass divided by number of eggs. Isn't it?
It is.
So it will give you two answers. One will be minimum. If you add all the minimums, so that will give you minimum mass. Okay. Other will give you the maximum mass. So let us say for an example, if you are getting 50, let us say for an example, okay. If you are getting 50 as minimum and 65 as maximum. Got it?
Got it.
So now you take again the mean of these two. So you will be closer to the mean.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So 50 plus 65 divided
So I
by,
just need to take the middlemost value of the mass and then multiply that by the frequency.
yes, and take maximum values. Just do it now and check your answer. If you're sending the question paper, just send me the solutions as well so that I can check its answers.
Okay, got it.
So you are available next week in India, or you are going to Poland?
Next week. Wait, let me just. What week is next week?
It will be 31st.
Oh yeah, on the 31st I'm available. Yes.
Okay, so the same time
I'll still be in India, same time.
okay. So we'll have a same time the class.
Yeah, yeah. The estimate of the mean mass is 55.67 grams.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean that looks about right. That looks like a normal sounding number.
Okay, I've scheduled for next week,
Okay.
4:30 to 5:30. Just mark it.
Mm-hmm. So next one is question 5A.
Okay.
It's asking for something called a box and whisker plot. I have never heard this before. They never taught us in school what a box and whisker plot is. I don't even know if that's a real thing.
Okay, there this question.
No. Five. No. Wait, no. 5A2. 5A2. Yeah, this one. This one.
The youngest person in the village is 1 year old and the oldest is 70-year-old. Draw a box. Okay, so you need
I
to
have never heard of this before. What is a box and whisker plot?
draw the graph. You just need to draw the graph.
What kind of graph?
Just a moment. Box and whisker plot means you need to make in quartiles. Okay.
Okay.
So first box.
I tried Googling one right now. I have never seen this kind of graph in my entire life, and we were never taught this graph either.
The box in the plot spans from the first quartile Q1 to the third quartile. This box contains the middle 50% of the data and represents the interquartile range. The width of the box provides insights into the data's spread. Whisker means these whiskers extend from the minimum value to quartile 1 and from quartile 3 to the maximum value. They signify the range of data excluding potential outliers. So basically, if we just Google it, okay. So this is basically box and whisker chart. Okay. So what it is showing? It is showing the minimum value here and the maximum value here. It is the maximum value. It is the minimum value, and it is first quartile, that is third quartile. Okay. So in this chart you need to show it like this. So what is its minimum value? Minimum value is given as 1 and the maximum value is given as the 70.
Yeah. We
Okay.
also have the median. We also have the lower quartile. We just need the third quartile. You know what? I'm not going to bother with this. I don't think this is in the syllabus anyways. This paper that I'm doing is 2 years old. Question 6a. This one still infuriates me because I got one correct, but I could not figure out how to get the second one. I tried very hard. I did not know.
Okay.
6a. This one is very infuriating. I don't know how to do this mathematically. I just kind of guessed.
Which one?
6a.
6a. Okay. Yeah. In the square ABCD, A has coordinate -2, 1. So just plot -2, 1.
Yeah, I did that. I plotted all of the points given.
This one will be A. Okay.
Yeah.
And B 1, 5. This will be B. A is -2, 1. C is AB, where A and B are both positive integer. So take anywhere. Okay. That is AB. It is C point. Find the coordinate of C and the coordinate of D. You may use the. Okay. It is a square.
It is a square.
Okay. It is a square. So, first of all, tell me the length of AB.
It's going to be 3. What I did was that I took that.
That is 5. Okay.
Yeah.
So you
for
have.
some reason, when I drew the point, I'm not sure what I did wrong, but for some reason, when I checked on my scale, it wasn't actually 5 centimeters. It was like, I believe it was less than that. I was super confused. It completely threw me off. Like mathematically, it's supposed to be correct, but in reality, it wasn't. I don't think I drew my graph incorrectly or anything, but it wasn't actually 5 centimeters on my scale.
Okay. So if you go on the grid.
Yeah, that's what I did. I did that.
Okay. So this one is 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. So that is 3. That is 4. So that's why it is given as 5. Okay. Now, where will be your next side? In a square, we have opposite sides as parallel as well as equal. Isn't it? Okay. And that will also be at the same distance. If it is 5 is 5 is 5 is 5. So how much is the distance between these two parallel lines? 5.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, so we have to think how much grids it has crossed from A to B. That same grid you have to cross from B to C. Okay,
Okay.
and that will be on the same line here.
Mm-hmm.
That point will be lying on the same line, isn't it?
Okay.
So if you draw a straight line, and this straight line where it is cutting, so I think here it should be. Okay,
I got 5-2.
5 2.
Yeah. I checked the mark scheme. It also said 5-2 is an acceptable answer for C.
Okay, yeah, it actually I am not using scale, that's why it may be like this. If you use scale, then it will give you the correct answer, but the idea is it will be on this line. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so it may be like, no, 5 2 is not possible, yeah.
It says so in the mark scheme, though.
If it is 5 2, just, yeah, it is 5 2, it will be 5 2. Yes, it will be 5 2, because the distance between 5 2 and 1 5, it will give you 5. Okay, so that will be 5 2.
Yeah, but I couldn't figure out the last point.
See, the last point, it will be a perpendicular. If you draw a perpendicular on this point and the same perpendicular on this point where they meet each other, that will be your next point. Okay,
2 minus 2. Okay, that works.
yeah, 2 minus 2 will be your next point.
Mm-hmm.
Got my point?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, next one.
Seven B. Actually, no. Basically, the whole of question 7A and 7B. Yeah, both of them. I've never been able to factorize anything. I don't know. I don't know how to do it. I don't know what's wrong, honestly. Oh yeah. Oh, it's because the coefficient of like y squared is more than 1, right? So yeah.
No.
I was actually meaning to ask this.
Just take 3 as common. It will be 9 square minus 1.
Yeah, I did that.
So now 3, you will write it a square minus b square. So that is the formula of a square minus b square, that is a minus b and a plus b. Okay,
Should we just memorize these?
yes, these formula you need to memorize. Okay, there are some formulae like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube. Okay, a plus b,
Cube, I don't think is going to come in the exam, but yeah.
these formulae, these are some basic formulae. Okay,
I don't think cube is going to come in the exam, but yeah, okay.
should I write it?
No, you don't need to. I'll find it.
Okay,
Yeah.
and the second part?
I don't know how. Yeah, I wasn't able to do that either.
Okay, just make pairs. What pair looking like common thing? Some common is there, like 2m and pm. They have common m. So we'll arrange it. 2m minus pm. and the next one 2k minus pk. Okay.
Okay.
Now m is common, 2 minus p. Now here what is common? K, 2 minus p. Now what is common among all? 2 minus p, 2 minus p. So we'll take 2 minus p as common. So what is left? M plus k. So that is the factorization. Okay.
Can you give me questions on these? These are very basic, but I'm not able to do it. I need the practice.
I'll send you in chat box.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Factorization, I think it is in your syllabus. It is.
Yeah, it is in the syllabus. That is also why I want to practice.
It is given in your book. It is given in your book, yeah. Factorization. Just let me check it.
Yeah, it is probably given in the book, maybe.
I'm telling you the chapter number, in which chapter it is given. And you just mark that exercise.
Which one, sorry?
Just mark that exercise I am giving you. You want that?
Yeah, which exercise? I'll just mark it for myself.
It is 6.2. Factorizing algebraic expressions. Chapter 6, 6.2.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay. So, okay, 6.2, yeah. 6.2 it is given here. That is all kind of questions given there. Okay.
Okay.
You'll come across that factorization in 6.2. Okay. Any other question?
7B, I did not even know where to start with this. I just completely gave up on it.
7B is just rearranging. Okay, the next exercise 6.3 is the rearranging exercise. Just mark it 6.3. Nothing to do, just make LCM. Or you multiply x plus 1 and x minus 1 in both sides. Okay.
Cross multiplication.
Either you do cross multiplication or just simply multiply.
No, I don't understand what cross multiplication is, honestly.
Okay, don't do it cross multiplication. Whatever is in the denominator, just multiply these things on each side. Okay. So we are just multiplying this one in each term. So x minus 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 1 and x minus 1. Okay. Minus 6 by x minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 1, and equal to x plus 1 and x minus 1. Got it?
Got it.
This is cancelled. This is cancelled. So what is left? It is left with x minus 1 whole square, 6 into x plus 1. Okay?
Yeah.
Equal to, that is the formula, x plus a plus b, a minus b.
This is x squared plus 1.
Minus 1.
Oh, minus 1. X squared minus 1.
Okay, just open it, a minus b whole square. So that is a square plus b minus 2b. Just open this bracket, it will be 6x minus 6.
6x plus 6, 6x minus 6.
Yeah, x square will be cancelled. Okay. So minus 2x minus 6x, that is minus 8x. 1 minus 6 minus 5 equal to negative 1. So take minus 8x equal to minus 1 plus 5, so that will be 4. So x will be 4. So that will be minus 1 over 2. Okay. That is also from 6th exercise, 6th chapter. Got it?
Yeah.
So if you do 6.3, you will get this thing. Not 6.3. That is just basic solution of algebraic expressions. Just 5. Just I'll tell you that's exercise. Yeah, it is from 6.1, solving equations. Okay.
Okay.
So if you go through these exercises, that will be easy to understand this type of questions. Okay, any other question?
No.
Yeah, that is this problem is from exercise 22.2.
Okay. Yeah, there's only one more major question.
Using and rearranging formula.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, just it seems rearranging formula is a major weakness of mine.
No, if you do exercise, that will be good. If it will be easy. If you're not doing, then it will always be difficult for you. Okay.
All right.
The thing is, you need to practice. Okay, next one. This is quadratic.
7.
This is
Yeah,
quadratic.
I figured I got that one correct.
Okay. Next one.
7D, make K the subject of the formula. I don't know how to do this if K is on both sides of the equal sign.
That is also simple one. Just whatever term K is having, that you have to keep it with the same side. K by M minus Kp equal to 4. Okay. Oh, and K is common here. 1 by M minus P will be 4. Just take LCM.
I did not do that.
So just.
Wait, what is that? How did you get 1 minus MP?
I just multiplied M in numerator and denominator, both the terms, to get rid of this M, 1 by M. I just take LCM as M, 1 minus MP. It is just factorization. Sorry, fractions. Solving fractions. Isn't it? Have you not solved like 3 by 5 minus 4 by 3?
Oh, you're multiplying M by both sides.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, that is the same thing I have done.
So, okay. Okay.
So now K is 4M by 1 minus MP. Okay. Is that clear?
Why isn't it? Whatever, forget it. That's all the questions that I have.
Okay.
For now.
Okay. So for next class, what we'll have?
I'll do the same as